Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an amazing product that has quickly gained recognition for its versatility and quality, the best Elasticon Vet Tape. If you're looking for a reliable solution for sports injuries, sprains, or even caring for your pets, you'll definitely want to stick around for this review. This product features 4 rolls of elastic tape, each measuring 4 inches in width and a generous 5 yards in length, which can be stretched up to 10 yards. This makes it incredibly adaptable, catering to various needs, whether it's for athletic support or pet care. The first thing that stands out about this tape is its construction. Made from a soft, breathable elastic fabric with a rubber-based adhesive, it's designed to minimize skin irritation. This porous backing allows the skin to breathe, which is essential during long-term use. The tape adheres well without restricting movement, making it ideal for anyone active in sports or for those with pets that need support for their injuries. Applying the tape is a breeze. Just wrap it around the desired area, and the self-adhesive property ensures that it stays in place. No need for additional clips or fasteners, which often dig into the skin or create discomfort. This elastic tape is not only perfect for humans dealing with sports injuries, like ankle sprains, knee support, or muscle strains. If your pet has suffered a cut or needs a bit of extra support, this tape provides a comfortable, supportive dressing that still allows them to move freely. One of the remarkable features of this tape is its elasticity. With a low unwind tension, it comfortably conforms to uneven surfaces. This makes it particularly useful in tricky areas like elbows and knees, where standard bandages often fail to stay in place. The design allows for custom pressure, ensuring that you can maintain the right support without causing discomfort. Compared to traditional bandages, the best Elasticon Vet Tape offers more flexibility and comfort. While standard bandages can be bulky and restrictive, this tape provides a lightweight solution that adapts to your movements, whether you're running, playing sports, or just going about your day. Taking care of this tape is easy. It's reusable, and you can cut it to the desired length, making it convenient for various applications. If you're seeking a reliable, flexible, and comfortable tape for both human and pet use, the best Elasticon Vet Tape is an excellent choice. It's definitely worth considering for your first aid kit. So there you have it. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great product insights. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.